Suleiman has crossed the line, and now the consequences are coming. Episode 44 is about to explode. Are you ready for what happens next? Suleiman has officially crossed the line, and in episode 44, the consequences are finally here. If you thought episode 43 was intense, just wait. The storm about to hit his family will change everything. The real question is this the end for Suleiman? We just witnessed a complete betrayal. Suleiman didn't just hurt the family, he disrespected his own father's legacy. The entire community of heirs is in shock, and now legal and financial pressure is building fast. But one question remains, who will finally bring him down? In episode 44, watch closely for three major moments. First, the mother's breaking point. This could be the moment Suleiman is finally thrown out. Second, the hidden evidence. Will that signature he refused come back to destroy him? And third, Lena's exit. She has been his only support, but this time she might walk away for good. Episode 44 is all about accountability and it's going to be explosive. So, what do you think? Will Suleiman escape again, or is this finally the end for him? Drop your theories in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates.